Hello everyone, welcome to the 3D Mechanical Design channel. In this video, we'll go through CSWA practice problem 1.5 step by step. Let's open the drawing and identify the key points we need to follow. First, set your units to IPS. You can change this when creating a new part using the menu in the lower right corner. Second, we'll use the extruded boss feature to build the model. Third, make sure the origin is positioned at the right corner of the hexagon. This is essential to match the drawing correctly. Finally, the part's volume is 0.5492 cubic inches. We will use this value to validate your model once it is completed. Now, let's open SOLIDWORKS and start building. Open a new part. In the lower right corner, set the units to IPS. Then start a sketch on the front plane. Use the hexagon tool and place it anywhere. Select the right corner of the hexagon and connect it to the origin. Then make the top edge horizontal. Add a dimension of 0.5 inches. From the origin, draw a horizontal line to the left with a length of 0.15 inches. Calculated as 0.4 minus 0.25. This defines the center point for Ta circle. From the left endpoint, draw a circle with a diameter of 0.8 inches. Next, let's draw a vertical line. Its ends touch the circle. And position it 0.4 inches from the origin. Use the trim tool to remove any excess geometry. This completes the left side of the part. From the origin, draw a horizontal centerline. Then create two horizontal lines above and below it. Apply symmetric relations and set the distance between them to 0.4 inches. Connect the left endpoints of these lines with a circle. Now move to the right side. Draw a circle centered on the right side center line. Then place a hexagon inside that circle and set its dimension to 0.8 inches. Then make the top edge horizontal. Connect the horizontal lines to the right circle. Then use the trim tool to remove any excess geometry. Add a dimension of 3.25 inches to the horizontal line. The sketch is now fully defined, indicated by the black color. Next, use the extruded boss feature and set the depth to 0.3 inches. The part is complete, now let's verify it. Before we continue, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and leave a comment. New videos are posted every week. Now let's check the results. The origin position matches the drawing. Finally, verify the volume. The correct value is 0.5492 cubic inches, which confirms the model is accurate. Great job, the part is done correctly.